If you want to lock any chat history, open the WhatsApp chat with particular ID. I am going to hide chat with this ID. I have many chat history with this person. I just want to hide this chat history. Click on the profile name. Now scroll down. Here you will find an option chat lock. Turn on chat lock. Click on continue. Here you need to scan your fingerprint and chat lock is enabled. Go back. The chat history is not here and chat history is in locked chat. Click on locked chat and scan your fingerprint. Now the chat is unlocked and you can easily open the chat history. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.